yeah. No way, I'm in the darkest place and I can't take no more. And I feel like if I move one bit, I will not exist at all. One more dumb day, and I go back to what it always was, an oasis. I die without your touch, don't let me fall. Can't go back if I exhaust all my fixes. Heart attack, cause my sheets still got your lipstick. So I'm always at the same place you left me at, catching breaks as I without you. And I'm still praying for you, even when I'm so gone, I'm not breathing yet. Yeah. Don't start heading to a conversation, just stay back like I always do. Should've gone to school but I'm so impatient, should've done better when I had you. You're late to the aftermath of whatever happened. Can't say that I'm better for it, just help me ignore it. Can't go back if I exhaust all my fixes. Heart attack, cause my sheets still got your lipstick. So I'm always at the same place you left me at, catching breaks as I without you. And I'm still praying for you, even when I'm so gone, I'm not breathing yet. She got the heart-shaped eyes, winter in disguise. I stuck to you like a tongue stick to ice. Watching high-speed chases in your mind. We always on a racetrack, crash, baby. I think we need something real. I wanna say it nicely. You don't gotta feel like this was so enticing. Can't let go of the vices. No, in a sense I don't mind it. Though we get lost in the lights and glow. We get close when we dance in the snow. Can't go back if I exhaust all my fix.